Miss anything.
I was like,
undercover.
wait, what? Tell me.
What are you doing? Ow. Oh, are you okay?
So I'm gonna jump over to you.
Your hair is undercover.
Ready?
What are you trying to
Ready,
do?
jump
Okay.
over.
She won't see me.
That's right.
Dude, that was hilarious. I think that was the funniest part.
Jamie, she's right there. She's right there.
You can't see it.
She's watching. She's like,
I'll just go for every move.
stop.
My
Jamie,
tube top.
Jamie.
It's like all the way down here.
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
I'm gonna do it.
Jamie.
Wait, my tube top.
Jamie, do it. Like that. You do it? Yeah. Ready?
I'm gonna do it. You're gonna just put your head down.
Go. I wanna do it.
It's not even that high.
Wait. My turn. Jamie, ready?
Wait, I got it. I'm gonna do this.
No.
I don't know what to do.
Aubrey, please.
So I don't Wait, stay like that. Jump over your head.
Ready?
No, not that high.
Not too high, I might kick you.
You
should stand up.
If these guys touch
Let's jump over your Risa. Ready?
Can you touch your toes?
I'm scared.
You corrected my paper.
Ready?
I got it.
What's the word of the day?
If I get hurt, dude, you almost hurt it.
Here you go.
I kicked my own. I just did.
Hi.
I'm gonna jump right in between you guys.
Oh.
Ready?
Come on! Brandon was right there. You wanted to tackle him?
Ready?
What if I lift up my head? Oh, yeah.
But if I was free flowing and then.
Jamie, you want to come over here?
Hi.
My cousin, I called her, she was like, what? And then we keep doing that now. I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Eureka's just there.
Okay, let's see. Can I jump over her head like this?
No. Would you like to kill me?
Maybe. I'm just.
I know. Do it.
Thanks for all the boogers and the beer blowing
You guys are white.
and the burps and what else? The fart.
I'm not white. Look at I have that that Twilight scar crap. Ooh. I'm
Saying crap?
Twilight. That's my Twilight scar. I got bitten by a vampire.
No. What? Really?
Wow, you're stupid.
And what is that?
I don't know. It just happened, I guess.
Ooh, I have this.
I was raised in the middle of the night.
It's a pen mark. Can you see it? Mine says hey.
Oh, you know? Is there a scratch right here somewhere?
I think this is my birthmark.
I put medicine on that.
Do you see it?
Does that mean you got like shanked right here and died?
Mine's are weird.
You
Yeah.
told me that.
It was on
Yeah.
underwear. I don't have a say hi, Brandon.
Why is everyone wearing those shirts today? Okay.
We're going in.
I thought that was Phil's like freaking.
circles. I bet I can carry you, Jamie. Eureka, I bet I can carry you. Ready? Go! Oh, Anna, go on me!
Amy ran out of toilet paper.
Anna, I bet I can carry you. I can carry you,